Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A55 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find the display option. Then let's scroll down again to localize the screen timeout. Let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top, we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds. And at the bottom, the longest option available in this device, which is 10 minutes, and it is currently applied. So all you have to do in order to change the screen timeout is to tap on the option like to use. I will choose 2 minutes. And as you can see, it has been immediately marked, and after getting back, you can see that it is notified right here, which means that from now on, after 2 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.